Just a little update. You see this hat? I left it in the Uber on our way to Cali Airport. Jeannie actually got on the phone and somehow got them to return. It took an hour for this guy to get back, but he actually did come back with the hat. The reason I'm so attached to this hat is because my father actually bought this for me in the golf shop at Hunter's Run in Boynton Beach a long time ago, and I've had this hat for a long time, and it kind of has a little sentimental value, so I'm kind of glad to get it back. So that's the little story while we're waiting to board our flight from Cali back to Cartagena. Nice to have you back. Here's the front entrance from the street, and from here you go to the 12th floor. You go to the 12th floor, and that's where reception is. So that's kind of interesting in itself. Let me show you this real quick too. This is a coffee bar they have here, a tasting coffee bar. Now, that might not be that interesting in itself, but you can actually get your coffee in any of these forms. You pick out how you want it brewed, and they'll take care of it. So I'm interested in trying that because you know how much I like coffee. Okay, we just got to the Hyatt and Jeannie's waiting to go do her thing. We'll get our room and we'll give you a quick walkthrough. This is where we're going to spend the next 3 days so that we can just kind of like recharge. Not a bad view. That's their pool. It's pretty crowded. Places to eat. Watch the sunset go down. Nice beaches. This will be a nice place to recharge for 3 days, 3 nights. And then onward.
You did leave your mask on.
Okay, so we got to our room and it was right by the elevator. So Jeannie went back down and talked to Javier, our man Javier, right here. And he's hooking us up with a new room that's gonna be much nicer. And for that, we're very appreciative. As the sun is going down, let's check this out.
Okay, John.
Okay.
It's gonna stop.
And our man Carlos right here is gonna help us get to the room. That's what he does.
Yeah, I did. It didn't take.
Oh,
That's what he does. He helps people out.
Okay, now?
Why is that one?
Yeah. I will check with them, Javier.
Gotcha.
Maybe it's the same key that
Ah, so
you
it was doing both floors
yeah.
now.
you have 2 rooms.
When she's going to be on 24 and I'll be on 31? Got it. Okay.
That's all right. My room's filled with champagne.
And bubble bath? Okay, after you, my dear. Jeannie just got us from 24 to 31.
I can say 18.
18.
18. So you say
31.
31.
18.
18.
Yeah.
See, in the US, we would say 3118. So we say 3, 1, 1, 8.
Yeah. You speak a little Spanish, yeah?
Oh, yes.
More and more.
This is your room.
We've been out of the US since August of last year.
Oh.
Travel Channel. Did you give them that?
Not yet.
We have YouTube Travel Channel.
Yeah? Wow.
All right. Nice mirror.
Like the other room. It's just on a different floor.
It does.
Identical.
Very nice. Flat screen, king size bed. What do we got here? Some way to get the, guess there must be some way to get the lights on. There we go. All right, toilet. Nice shower. Looking forward to that.
Oh, yes. Gracias, mi amigo.
You're welcome.
Gracias.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Thank you. As the sun's dropping, nice view.
Okay, bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, Carlos.
Bye, Carlos. Hasta luego. All right, take your mask off now. How's that going to be?
That's much better. I think you did better here than on the 24th floor, right next to the elevator. Are you okay with the view?
I think so.
Are you sure?
How about you? Are you glad I picked the Hyatt Regency?
I am. Do you like that sunset
Did
so
you
far?
see I centered it right between our windows?
You did. You put us right in the middle of the hotel where we can see the sunset perfectly. And that way is the old city. You can just see a little bit of it. And this way is the rest of the city strip.
That's New City.
That's New City, right. That's where we were before, last week. Okay, and there you have it. So let me give you a little walkthrough of the of where we're at here. This is the 14th floor of the Hyatt Regency, the adult pool. This is the new part of the city, right there. That's the old part. 10 days ago, that's where we stayed, and you saw all the videos for that. So this is the new part. We wanted a little different experience, and we also wanted to relax because, like I said, we're a little burnt out making too many videos here. And we figured 3 days before we go to our next destination. And there she is. You know her, you love her. We can't do without her because she's the brains of this whole thing and takes care of all the logistics, which she's doing right now. This is another one of the, this is like adult and kid pool here, but since it's shady, there's not a lot of people up here. Just above, we'll take you on a little walk down to the other pool, and that's where the sun is. So there's a ton of people down there, and we're not interested in mixing with them. Plus there's a lot of kids down there and, you know, screaming, yelling, running around. We just want to relax. So anyway, here's a little look. I'll give you another view of the other side of the hotel. Maybe they call that the port side. I don't know. All right, you can already hear the screaming. So this is the pool for kids and for families. Let's call it the family side. Pretty damn nice here, let me tell you. You want something to drink? They got that. Anything you need. We'll take a quick look over here. So on this side is the port side, and I'm thinking that this is a naval base right there, because you can see all the naval ships right there. Three submarines right over there. Yeah, base, naval base, Boulevard. And they got their own track, they got their own Olympic-sized swimming pool. Everything they need for training is on that side. Okay, so like I was saying, this is the port side. You can see part of the city, a lot of activity in the port, all the naval ships. Let me lower this back down. Okay, and there you have it. Like I said, a lot of people out here right now because it's sunny on this side, but later on today, this is going to change. The sun will be on the other side and we'll be in good shape. They have a little lap pool right here. And then the main, these are all infinity pools, so pretty cool, pretty cool. And back upstairs to where we are. I did a little drone work earlier to give you a little perspective on where we're at in relationship to where we were. And again, this Hyatt Regency is really nice. You can definitely get your rest and relaxation swerve on here.